Taking a look at our plans, we have mitered tenons. We need to cut a 45-degree angle, but we need to make sure we are cutting it in the right direction. Our 1/8 inch lip is on the back. Our 45-degree angle is coming forward towards our 1/2 inch lip. So I do not get confused on the miter saw, I'm going to make a couple small marks just so I can remember what angle I'm cutting it at. And I'm going to do this for both sides of both of these pieces. And with the miter saw set to 45 degrees, I can complete my cut. And those mitered tenons look really nice.